Y'all, if you are feeling blue, get you a blue wig. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back because I appreciate you. Because the way I be dropping videos, I'm shocked that people still come back. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about this wig from Outre, okay? It is a synthetic wig, but if you were ever considering color, this might be the collection for you. I do a lot of hair content on this channel. I do some makeup, I do some skincare, but I love these wigs. I love these wigs. They bring me to life. And you guys are gonna see in this video how you might need a blue wig if you're feeling blue. No, I'm gonna talk about this wig from Outre. It's from the Perfect Hairline collection. It is in the style MALIBU. And I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel about her, but I'm smiling, so, you know, it might be a winner. She might be a winner. Okay, before we get started, give this video a thumbs up if you like content like this. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump in. Hey there, so today we're talking about the style MALIBU from the Perfect Hairline collection. I have the color on the stock card, this DR Jade Blue. Yes, she is on the stock card for a reason. This style looks like it's known for all the pretty colors. I've never seen a lot of the colors on here, but this is what she's looking like out the pack. Y'all see that? So the root is dark, like DR, dark root, okay. And I like that it wasn't too harsh, but I'll talk about that later. This is what your cap is looking like, and your comb in the back. You're gonna get an elastic band if you want to wear her glueless, and yes, it is adjustable. I like to go on with a wig cap with my hair nice and flat. I also do like the black wig caps underneath these lace wigs. So this is what the hairline is looking like fresh out the pack, guys. You guys know me, I'm gonna go in and customize it. So this is exactly what it's looking like. Okay, so I went in with my hot comb. This is what it looks like after. It looks pretty good, but you know me also, I had to go in there, I had to tweeze her. I'll leave a link in the cards of how I tweeze up my synthetic wigs. I also didn't tweeze a lot, and I also left a little bit of wispy baby hairs, which I'll also talk about a little later. So let's go ahead and put her on. I like to use lace tint spray. You can use some makeup powder, whatever you like to match the lace to your complexion. I did cut the lace off camera with an eyebrow razor because that creates more of like a jagged edge for me. It's not so straight. So now I'm just lining up that wig. I'm going to melt this wig. I'm going to use a temporary adhesive. So I'm just lining her up, getting her nice and straight. I'm lining up the air tabs. I do have a video too of how I install my synthetic wigs where it's a little bit slowed down. I'll also leave that in the cards if you need help. But you could get away with glueless. Y'all see how nice that looks? So I'm going to use my Kiss Colors and Care Lace Bond adhesive spray. I do like this spray. I also made a video on this. Y'all, I'll be making a lot of videos. You just got to watch them, okay? So I do like this lace spray. This is what I'm using today. I also find that while I'm installing the wig, brushing the hairs back and pressing it in does really make a difference with not having so much residue and just kind of having that clean look at the final end. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using my comb to brush it back as I'm using my blow dryer to secure it before I put that lace melting band on. So the other side, I did it off camera. Okay, so now I'm also brushing down the baby hairs on this wig because I decided I wanted to go in with like some wispy baby hairs this time. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm also going to apply a little bit of spray on top of the lace and melt that in some more. Use my blow dryer because using the blow dryer before you put the elastic band on, it's going to help with not making it so cakey and with residue. So now I'm going in with my elastic band and I'm securing this wig, and while that's drying, I'm just putting on my makeup and we are here. So this wig is melted. While that was drying, I did go in and kind of mold some of the baby hairs with my edge curler and also my Lotta Body setting mousse. So this was just used to mold the baby hairs, to be clear. Okay, so it's not really harsh, it's really soft, but you're gonna see me talk about that later. And so now I don't want these baby hairs to be so harsh because I do want them wispy. So using that foam and just kind of combing it makes it really soft. So now I'm going to work on the final touches to my lace. I'm going in with my contour stick. Sometimes I use my Ruby Kisses, but today I'm using my contour stick. So now if you look up, you can see like if it's white or if you need to apply like a darker shade, and that's what I'm doing here. The darker shade does help with the white cast of that lace, if that made sense. So now I'm just going to apply a little bit of serum to the hair, and I'm also going to apply some powder to my parting space because I want my part to look scalp-like. We are trying to make these wigs look as natural as possible, okay? If you go in with the powder like in the front, it makes it look more like scalp-like. So I'm just using my hot comb for final touches, and that pretty much was it. my goodness. Y'all, if you are feeling blue, get you a blue wig. What's up, y'all? This is beautiful. She is stunning. She looks gorgeous. First of all, I apologize that I haven't posted in a while. Y'all, your girl be in a funk. I'm just going through some things, but I will be okay. But this reminds me why I do this. This reminds me why I put on these wigs, why I put on this makeup, why I switch up the hair colors, because it brings me back to life. Let's go ahead and talk about this wig. Let's go ahead and talk about this wig. So this wig is from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. First of all, I don't know if I ever said it, but I think this might be one of my favorite collections. And I say that because it's not too tight, it fits good. The melted hairline, I like that too, but it's kind of snug. This might be my favorite one. Anyway, Perfect Hairline collection. This is a 13, meaning 13 inches of lace going across, 4 inches going back. You can part this wig any way you like. It is a fully hand-tied lace wig. This is a synthetic wig. It says you can wear it glueless. You guys know how I feel. I like to melt my wigs. I'm going to snatch the mess out of my wigs, and I like to secure them. So I do go in with temporary adhesives, which I do take my wigs off at night, or sometimes I'll wear it for like a day or two. Today I use the Kiss Colors and Care Lace Bond Spray. This is in the style Malibu. She is newer. She's 16 inches, and the color that I have, is DR Jade Blue. I don't know why I'm so excited. I think because I always wanted to try a blue wig. Shout out to the Hearts and Cake 90. I remember I first saw her try a blue wig and I was like, oh, that looks good on you, but I can't try it. It took me years. It took me years to try a blue wig, but we are here and I am here for it. Y'all need to try these colors. Okay, so yes, I have DR Jade Blue. The excitement is real. They put her on the stock card for a reason, and they come in a lot of different colors. I like this Malibu style because this one actually comes in a lot of pretty colors. It's not your generic colors, okay? So there's some chocolate swirls, red velvet, tiramisu, warm apricot. That's on the stock card. Soft pink, ash brown. It's a creamy ombre in there too. So I love synthetic wigs because you can experiment with colors. You can try. You can get out your box. You don't have to permanently do something to your hair without damaging it. You would just put a wig on, you know? So I do like that, and I think that's all the claims. So let me go ahead and just tell y'all a little bit of what I did. Hopefully you watched the video because that's why I make the videos. But if you didn't, I did pluck up this hairline just a tad. You guys know me. If you do, if you don't, hey. But I do like to pluck my wigs. Yes, it is a synthetic wig, but I like them to look as natural as possible. And I find that going in with those extra tweaks makes these wigs look more realistic. They make them look more human hair-like, okay? I did go in with this lace tint spray up underneath my lace. I ran out with the first can, and then I ended up buying this larger can, and the nozzle is actually different on this one. So the nozzle is a little different on this one, okay guys? It says it's a pointed nozzle. Yeah, so I do like the nozzle on this, guys. I love the mist. I love the way it sprays. So yeah, so I didn't have to do much to this wig. I just added the lace tint spray. You guys know how to do these things. Use a little bit of powder, use a little bit of makeup, use whatever you like to tint your wig to match it to your complexion. This one does the job for me. This is in the color dark brown. You can part this wig any way you like. I made it real simple. I just did the side because sometimes I'm in the mood for style and sometimes I'm not. But look how sleek and put together this wig looks. I did go in with my hot comb, and doing that makes a difference. Like, look at this wig. I decided to go on with a little bit of wispy baby hairs. So I did mold the hairs initially with this Kiss Edge curler. Sometimes with synthetic wigs they don't curl, so then I went in with my Lotta Body while it was kind of setting and my melting band was on there, and she came together real nice. This is a really good length. I like this 16 inches. It does come in natural colors. It comes in your 1B, and your 2. This will be really pretty in a natural color. I mean, we've seen this style before, okay, but I think with this collection or this style, it's definitely the colors for me. It's the colors for me, okay? The air tabs are a little bit long on here. You can cut them if you like. I was debating if I wanted to sell this wig initially because I do sell my wigs to maintain this channel because I'm paying for this channel. So I was debating if I wanted to sell this wig, but I think I'm gonna keep her because she's a keeper. This is definitely one to have in your collection. Do you hear me? I do like the texture of this wig. It's more on the light yucky side. It's more silky, but it's not too silky where it's like Barbie doll hair. It feels good. And if you go in with your products, I made a video right here of synthetic wig sprays. I didn't have to use a synthetic wig spray today, guys. I think with this type of texture, you can just get away with a little bit of serum and probably maybe a Simply Styling spray if you have that. So either one of these, a silicone product is all you need with this. You don't need wig sprays. My hand is gliding through this wig. You might get some snags, but she feels good. She feels really good. Overall, I recommend this wig. I absolutely recommend this wig. I like her. I love her. I love her. I think this wig is perfect, and I think you can't go wrong with either colors. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. Drop me some comments down below. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye!